I would like to take the time to thank HAIRGIVENHAIR for sponsoring today's video. So if you're interested in seeing how I came with this bomb look, then continue to watch. Alright guys, so here's the package for HAIRGIVENHAIR. I do want to go over the details that's inside the box. So first we're going to start out with this bag. This is the bag that you can use to put your hair in whenever you're not wearing it. I thought it was fancy with a little drawstring. It also comes with additional clips just in case, you were to damage your original clips that's in the wig. Also comes with a wig instruction book because baby, if you don't know how to do it, put a wig on. If you don't know how to take care of it, baby, they got you. They give you instructions. And then this is how the wig looks. Now this is a half wig because I am currently reviewing wigs that are easy to throw on. I want to give y'all, different options, different wigs that y'all can choose from so that it's easy to put on. So this wig does come with the drawstring so that it doesn't slide off your head. Also comes with 4 clips and it also comes with an adjustable strap in the back. So yeah. Okay, so now we moved on to my kitchen because I do want to wash this unit. Now, I'm going to be honest because I'm always honest on my wig reviews or any review for that matter. This hair did have a little stench to it, okay? And there was just absolutely no way I was going to be able to install this in my head with that little stench. It was going to bother me too bad. So I went ahead and took the hair to the sink, which I'm absolutely glad that I did because when I start saturating the hair with water, I noticed that there was like a little brown tint to the wig. So I went ahead and went in with some shampoo. I know a lot of people like to co-wash their wigs. Baby, not me. I wanted to shampoo the wig because I don't know. I feel like conditioner, it just wasn't going to be enough for this smell. So I needed to shampoo it and condition it, okay? And so as I was shampooing it, I then noticed that more of a little brown tint was falling off the wig. So I'm not really sure if that's like a chemical that they use to keep their hair curly. I'm not sure if maybe that was like dye, maybe they dyed the hair black. I'm not really sure exactly what that could have been. Again, I am very beginner when it comes to wigs. So, if y'all know in the comment section, let me know down below what y'all think that may have been. But I literally washed this hair a good 8 times. That means I shampooed it a good 8 times because I was just trying to get that color out. I didn't like it and I felt like that was what was causing the hair to have a little stench to it. But other than that, the hair is really, really soft, guys. I feel like it's some really good hair. It's just the fact that I didn't know what that is. I'm assuming it's dye. I'm gonna go with dye because after I washed it, it didn't have a stench to it anymore. So yeah, it's just the dye, maybe the packaging, I'm not sure. But nevertheless, so I went ahead and washed the hair. Once I was finished with it, the curls were still bouncy. The hair got a little bit longer, but it was definitely a good texture. Alright y'all, it's about 3 days later since I washed the wig and I washed my hair. And child, I've been looking like this all week. All week. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put this wig to the test because again, I'm reviewing wigs that are simple, easy to install. So I needed to look like something on this particular day. So I wanted to see, would this be an easy install? So I went ahead and took down my 2 plaits in the front because I figured in order to make this an easy install for me, I just want to put a braid across the front of my head and then throw on the half wig and see how simple that would be. So I went ahead and sectioned off hairs for me to use to, put the braid across the front. But then I was like, I've never had a half wig before. And being that this wig has 4 clips in it, it needs something to hold on to. So I was like, you know what? Let me put a braid behind the braid that I'm going to put in the front just so that the half wig has something to hold on to. Like a little ankle braid. Girl, quit playing with me, y'all. Y'all know I just be trying stuff. So for the front of my hair, I went in with my daughter's Dream Kids Olive Oil Smooth Edge because, y'all, I'm having little issues with my edges. They're real thin. So I was like, okay, if they say this edge control is good for kids, then it should be okay for my little thin edges. It shouldn't be so harmful. So I went in with this on my edges, and I'm just using this to kind of brush my hair up because remember, we're going to put a braid across the front. So I figured this would be, good for my hair. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the braid across the top of my head. I do want to tell y'all this: I'm not a braider. I just know how to braid. I understand how to braid. I'm not a braider, okay? So my braiding may not be the best, but you know, I'm trying. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this braid across the front so that we can get started with the wig. And so I decided to go ahead and take my dangling twist that I had in the back and go ahead and like twist that up into a little twist, and then I went ahead and bobby pinned it back just because I just wanted to have my hair kind of tamed underneath this half wig. So I don't know, you don't have to do this. You could have just let your twist dangle. You could have braids in the back. You know, this is just what I'm doing. But yeah, I just feel like it'll make putting the wig on, that process, easier for me. Now again, this is a half wig and I am putting it on half my head, so I do want to adjust this wig to make it as tight as possible so that I feel secure. I am going to use the clips to clip it in, but I want to feel secure. Alright y'all, so this is me putting the wig on. So I went ahead and took that first clip that's on the top of the half wig and I secured it underneath that anchor braid that we created. And now I'm just going to go in with the 2 clips on the side and I'm just going to slide that in on the side of my head. And then I'm going to do the same for the back. And then y'all just see me adjusting it. And I'm so glad that I did adjust the wig before putting it on with the adjustable bands in the back, because the wig felt so secured once I actually got it put on my head. For the styler, I decided to go in with my Vigral Curl Mousse. Now, y'all, this mousse gives me such a hard time every time I use it because I just don't be understanding how to get the product out the bottle. So, yeah, anywho, got the product out. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was feeling my hair as soon as I put the hair on. I was, you know, happy with how it looked, freshly washed. But I was like, okay, let me go in with a little mousse. Let me see how the hair acts with product. And baby, I was content. I was happy. Here I'm just kind of raking it in. I'm just kind of playing with it. I was trying to decide if I wanted to fluff it and make it big, or if I want to keep it like looking natural. I couldn't really decide, but I do want to tell y'all, the hair felt so good. The hair felt great. Applying this wig was super easy. Like, baby, I was feeling myself. I don't know why. Once I applied it, I felt like Tina Turner, you know, like big wheels keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on, whatever, and child. I don't know why I felt like her, but I was like, you know what, it's missing something. So I decided to put the hair back behind my ears. Ooh, baby, that to me, that took the hair up to a whole nother level. Sure did. And so now I'm going in again with my daughter's edge control, and I'm kind of trying to create me a little baby hairs, child, kind of spruce it up a little bit. But y'all, I was extremely happy. Like, look at the hair. So I do want to shout out to HAIRGIVENHAIR. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I am in love with this unit. It was extremely easy to put on, y'all. This took all of 10 minutes, and that's including me braiding my hair. Like, I was happy. Look at me, quit playing with me. Hey. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the half wig that HAIRGIVENHAIR provided me. And y'all, I am like in love with my hair. I wore my hair to work today, and baby, I was getting compliments left and right. How did you get your hair so big? Baby, it's not mine, it's a wig. But I'm glad you think it's mine. I'm so glad they thought it was mine. So the comfort of this wig, it didn't bother me. It didn't make my head sore. The clips didn't bother me. So I'm happy about that. By me washing my hair, I no longer have like that little smell. And so it was very important that I did show y'all me washing the hair and showing, I'm assuming the dye coming off the wig, because if y'all were to purchase this wig, I don't want y'all to be like, whoa, what is that? Yeah, it's just the dye, guys. So it was very important for me to show that to y'all so that it doesn't deter y'all from purchasing the wig. Baby, the wig is bomb. Do y'all see the bounce? Baby, the bounce, biggity bounce, biggity bounce. Yes, I love it. So again, I want to thank HAIRGIVENHAIR for sponsoring today's video. This wig is bomb. If you're needing something quick to do with your hair, definitely purchase this half wig. And the fact that it has the drawstring on it, you can do a million different hairstyles. Like, you don't have to wear it like this. You can, you know, maybe braid it back and then put the wig on. You can do a a high ponytail because it's a drawstring. You can make a little ponytail. Like, it's endless amount of hairstyles that you can do with this wig. So, baby, trust me, it's worth every coin. So again, if you're interested in this wig, I will have all the details down below in the description box. And until next time, guys,